Successful preservation of silage depends on rapid fermentation and pH reduction, which organic acid primarily controls and stabilizes fermentation in silage. Acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, lactic acid. And the correct answer is option D, that is lactic acid. Atelectasis is a pathological condition of the lungs characterized by collapse of alveoli leading primarily to increased lung volume, reduced alveolar ventilation, excess surfactant production, pulmonary fibrosis. And the correct answer is option B, that is reduced alveolar ventilation. In cattle, recurrence of estrus at abnormally short intervals of about 14 to 15 days is a characteristic reproductive sign associated with persistent corpus luteum, luteal cyst, follicular cyst, true and estrus. And the correct answer is option C, that is follicular cyst. During the last 3 days of incubation, when eggs are transferred from setter to hatcher, they are positioned in order to allow proper piping and hatching as broad and up, broad and down, vertical position, horizontal position. And the correct answer is option D, that is horizontal position. In animal housing and hatchery management, relative humidity of the environment is measured using which instrument? Barometer, hygrometer, anemometer, thermometer. And the correct answer is option B, that is hygrometer. Coqui Campbell is a well-known high egg-producing breed that belongs to which type of bird? Chicken, duck, turkey, goose. And the correct answer is option B, that is duck. In poultry terminology, the adult male of a turkey is specifically referred to as cock, drake, tom, gander. And the correct answer is option C, that is tom. In water buffalo, Bubellus bubellus, gametes are haploid. Therefore, the number of chromosomes present in a sperm cell is 24, 25, 50, 52. And the correct answer is option B, that is 25. During cell division, mitosis proceeds through a defined sequence of phases to ensure accurate chromosome segregation. The correct order is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, metaphase, prophase, anaphase, telophase, prophase, anaphase, metaphase, telophase, telophase, anaphase, metaphase, prophase. And the correct answer is option A, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In commercial layer housing, adequate stimulation of reproductive activity and maintenance of egg production require a specific light intensity, which is recommended to be approximately 2 lux, 10 lux, 20 lux, 30 lux. And the correct answer is option B, that is 10 lux. Among dairy cattle breeds, which one is globally recognized for the highest milk production and forms the backbone of commercial dairy farming worldwide? Jersey, Brown Swiss, Guernsey, Holstein Friesian. And the correct answer is option D, that is Holstein Friesian. In animal breeding programs, genetic improvement of progeny is most efficiently achieved by selecting which gender due to greater reproductive impact? Female, male, both equally, neither. And the correct answer is option B, that is male. Cottonseed cake is a valuable protein supplement in livestock feed, but its use is limited due to the presence of which anti-nutritional factor? Tannin, saponin, gossypol, phytic acid. And the correct answer is option C, that is gossypol. Egg interior quality is commonly assessed using the Haag unit, which is calculated from albumin height and egg weight. The recommended value indicating egg quality is good quality eggs is below 60, 60 to 65, 66 to 71, greater than or equal to 72. And the correct answer is option D, that is greater than or equal to 72. In meat science terminology, the meat obtained from goats is specifically known as mutton, chicken, venison, pork. And the correct answer is option B, that is chicken. In the avian oviduct, the inner and outer shell membranes of the egg are formed before calcification. These membranes formation occurs in infundibulum, magnum, isthmus, uterus or shell gland. And the correct answer is option C, that is isthmus. Sargam is used as an energy source in animal feeding, but its nutritive value may be reduced due to the presence of which anti-nutritional factor? Gossypol, tannin, phytic acid, trypsin inhibitor. And the correct answer is option B, that is tannin. To be classified as a satisfactory potential breeder during breeding soundness evaluation, a bull must have at least the minimum acceptable levels of sperm motility and normal morphology, which are 50% motility and 50% normal morphology, 40% motility and 60% normal morphology, 30% motility and 70% normal morphology, 20% motility and 80% normal morphology. And the correct answer is option C, that is 30% motility and 70% normal morphology. Buffaloes are seasonally polyestrous breeders, and their reproductive activity peaks during a specific climatic period. The peak breeding season of buffalo is summer, spring, winter, throughout the year. And the correct answer is option C, that is winter. Melatonin and serotonin are neurohormones involved in regulation of circadian rhythm, seasonal reproduction, and behavior. Both are secreted by the pituitary gland, pineal gland, hypothalamus, adrenal gland. And the correct answer is option B, that is pineal gland.